Hello everyone, this is Jill Cornelius, creative partner number 247096, and today it's time to showcase the new Kiwi Club kit for July. This month's kit is called One in a Melon. Get it? Melon? Anyway, first thing I noticed right off the bat was the box. I was sort of getting used to the nice bright white ones. Almost said yellow, white ones. They just seem really cheerful when you see them, and it's like happy mail. So we're back to the brown box for this month, but that's okay. I got my kit and I got it early. It came on Friday. Yes, Friday. I was a little under the weather, otherwise I would have done my video sooner. One in a Melon. Here's the QR code for the digital idea book, and I've already taken it out of the box. And let's look at it. All kits come with the 6x12 sheet to showcase the different aspects of the kit. Here's the templates. There's 4 of them. The different themes that you could use this kit are summer, watermelon, watermelon cutting, watermelon fights, watermelon seeds, stuff like that. And just general bright summer memories. The Kiwi Club designer templates pairing that could go really well with this kit are the Blossom, the Triangles, Sunnybrook, and Farmstead. No 4th of July with the flag in the back, really, really cute. And there's even some page layout ideas. I might try creating one of those later today, maybe. Have to go work for a little bit with my husband. So let's open it up and see all the different pieces to this kit. Right off the bat, I see one paper that I think I'm absolutely in love with. And just like on the box, here's the QR code for you to see. This kit comes with 12 by 12 80-pound paper sheets. They're double-sided. Includes 3 main sheets, 3 supporting sheets, and 6 background sheets. There's 11 title cards, and the designer template set is called Sweet Summertime. Let's look at the templates first, okay? Here they are. And on the template package, there's also the QR code there so you can see it. Let me open these. These will be fun to play with. I'm already thinking about doing a banner with these, along with my other triangles. I just think it'd be really cute. And it doesn't necessarily have to be a summertime banner. It has the 4th of July is tomorrow. If I'd started this on Friday, I might have gotten it done, but wasn't feeling well, so didn't make it happen. But I'm working on Christmas right now. I have a whole table dedicated to Christmas. If you're in my Facebook group, I might post a picture of that so you can see what I mean. This is the first template, well, number 2 of 4. Each of the templates are numbered. So there's 4 in this one. This is 2. It's a watermelon slice. And it measures 4 by 2. But you could use this as any slice, cantaloupe, whatever. Just don't put the seeds in. And I love the flower cutout, the half flower cutout. So you could do one and you could flip it over. And it could just be a flower in a circle. I think it'd be really cool. I might have to work on that idea. Like a flower in the circle, colorful marks, and then a scallop around it. Really, really cute. Let's do, oh, here's a flower, but it doesn't match that. No, this is number 1 of 4. It's a little sweet summertime flower. Just put a stem on it. It's almost 3, so it's about 2 7/8 by 2 1/2. Just put a stem on it. Really, really cute. There's that. Let's do the little one first. This is the smaller triangle. This is number 3 of 4. I'm holding it like this because that's how I would put it. And it measures 4 1/2 by 4 7/8. So there's that. And then the bigger triangle of Sweet Summertime. It's really, really big. You don't necessarily even need to have the triangle set to do this. You could just cut out the inserts and stick them on there. This one measures about 9 1/2 by 9. 9 1/2 by 9. Really cute set. Could use it to make my banners for Christmas. Yes, Christmas, I know. I have to start now if I want to get everything done in time. The next thing we're going to look at is the papers. Take those corners off and put them in my pile. I see somebody walking by my house, probably a roofer, because we had hail damage. But we have our roof coming in a fence. So this is a really, really bright paper. It's really pretty too. I love this. I love the shades of blue in it. Really, really pretty. I could just use this for everyday page. Yep, really pretty. I love this one. This is side A. This is side B. I love them both, but I think I'm going to choose side A. If you're new here, I go through each of the papers and I tell you honestly which ones I like. I don't say anything bad. I just say which ones that I prefer. Because, you know, everyone has their opinion and we can share it. So this is side A and this is my favorite because of the flowers. Okay, here's a watermelon sheet. So this is side A. Side B. I'm going to choose side B, mainly because it goes with the first sheet. And I don't really care for a watermelon, so sorry. So that's side B. And those look really pretty together. The next sheet, this is the third sheet, side A. Stripes, I'm sorry, they go up and down to me. Side A, side B. I'm going to go with side B again. This is a very, very pale, well, it's white, yes, but there's like a cream colored in there. It's a pattern. Somebody else is walking by my house reading a book as they're walking. Side A, side B. Side A. Next sheet, this is side A. They look like bubbles. Bubbles with shapes in them. Side A, side B. I love the orange, so we're going to go side B. You notice how I changed the direction of the paper the way that I like it. So this is side A. It's a blue pattern paper. It has like arrows in it. You can see. So this is side A. Oh, I love this. It's definitely a side B. Yes, I see my layout coming together now, and I can't wait to make it. I might work on that tonight instead of the banner. Side A, yes, there's lines. You see me changing the direction. Side A. Side B has just a pattern in it. I don't know what kind of pattern you want to call that, but there's two of these. So I could use one side A and one side B, or just both sides A. This might be the base sheet that I do my layout on. I'm not quite sure yet. I'll have to see what else to come. But I love that polka dot paper. Yep. Side A, there's two of these again. Side A, side B. I'm going to go with side A because it's a really, really pretty paper. See? The next sheet, final two sheets. Side A. It's like just a bunch of boxes, but it's really pretty blue. And there's like little specks in there. Side A, side B. I like them both. I think this is the first one I've liked both. But yep, I love that polka dot. I can't wait to use that with the flower. So yes, I'm excited for this kit because it's really, really pretty. Here comes the guy. So you might hear my doorbell ring, but I'm just going to ignore it. Yes, he's walking up the pathway. I'm not answering the door because I'm doing this. So these are the title cards. And there's lots of little pieces. Look, there's a leaf. Really cute leaf. Measures about 1.5. There's a flag that you can put in the back of the farmstead, the truck. About 1 3/4 by 1 3/4. That's cute. Put it in the back of the truck. Another leaf. Ooh, there's some watermelons. 1.5. And all these little flowers. I'm going to go get my farmstead die real quick. I'll be right back. If it should be where it should be. There it is. I have it. Farmstead. Here's the farmstead die. So template. Just take, and you can put your flag right there. Really, really cute. But then you can put all the watermelons in there. There. That's a cute idea. More flowers. There's lots of little flowers in this. Really cute. I could probably use those. So title cards. Hello Summer. Side A. Side B. I'd use that one. Happy Life in the Sunshine. You could use this on a beach page. That would be cute. Side A. Side B. Oh. Good Times Together. Banners. Ideas. Watermelon, you could put that onto the truck. Or put that onto the truck along for the ride. Really, really cute. Oh, side B. It was a good day. That's pretty. But you can use this for any kind of page. It was a good day. That's pretty too. Like little specks. Really pretty yellow. Made in the USA, American Pride. A and B. Farm fresh watermelon. Vined, ripened, and hand-picked. Side A, side B. Enjoy today. It's really, really pretty with that orange paper. Side A, side B. I'm loving all the title cards so far. Good times and crazy friends make the best memories. I have a page that I can use this on for a road trip I went with my best friend. So, yeah, we had some fun. It was a week-long trip. It was fun. That's pretty, too. Why didn't they do a pattern paper with that? That's really pretty. Don't let the seeds stop you from enjoying the watermelon. Okay, I might cut this off and just use the watermelon. I like that watermelon with the flowers. Side B. One in a melon. Side A, side B. Life is good. And you don't have to use the whole sheet, just cut it off then. You can use this top part for photo corners or cutting out a template like a flower or something. Side B is here. There's that pretty paper again. I'm going to have to use this for something because that would look really good with that flower paper up there. Did I make it? No, I didn't make a mistake. There is none of this in the kit. Okay, so that is the July Kiwi Club kit called One in a Melon. I'm going to have all the information down below on how to get the kit. A link to my Facebook group if you'd like to join my Facebook group where I share all my ideas, page layouts, sales information, and everything. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. And if you have a friend that you think would enjoy this video, please show it to them, and I'd love it if you would subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.